It's so cute. I actually love it.
I love it.
Like with your camera, I really like that.
I don't think the camera will fit.
Yeah, I don't think so at all. I think it would make it difficult to fit anything else. Sarah here, welcome back to my channel. If you are a current subscriber who has watched my latest vlog, first off, thank you for watching. Second off, I know that you have been waiting for this video for a while. If you're a current subscriber who has not watched my latest vlog, I would appreciate it if you would go ahead and put this video on pause, come back to it, but go watch that vlog first. And if you're new, just stumbled upon this video on my channel, I would love it if you would become a subscriber and check out the vlog before this one. I will have it linked somewhere on the screen and in the description box down below. And if you have absolutely no idea what's going on, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing. I just got a brand new Louis Vuitton bag and I vlogged the experience, but I wanted to do a dedicated unboxing video for this bag, so I didn't fully share what I got in the vlog. This is a continuation of that, so make sure that you're caught up. But just a quick reminder here to please like my video. It really helps out my channel so much when you interact with my videos. And also make sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought about the bag that I got, and let me know what your favorite Louis bag is. I do want to get some more of them, so I definitely want to check out your guys' recommendations. But I am very excited because this is actually my very first Louis. I just started purchasing designer bags recently. The first one that I got that I'm currently using is the YSL small Lulu bag. I've been loving this bag, but let's be honest, she's kind of dark and we are getting into the warmer seasons. So I wanted a bag for spring and summer that was going to be a little bit lighter and a little bit more casual. And I've always wanted a Louis Vuitton, so I just decided that that was what I was going to get next. Quick disclaimer here, as I do in all of my luxury goods videos, if you think that luxury purchases are a waste of money, you don't like them, they're not really your thing, I totally understand and respect your point of view, but I just ask that you be respectful as well, and just go ahead and click out of the video if you really want to have nothing to do with designer purchases. But I won't keep dragging this out. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. So I actually got mine on Rodeo Drive. I got my last bag on Rodeo Drive and I just decided I wanted to do that again this time. And Michelle and I had an LA day on our calendars to shoot content, so I decided, you know what, when we go, I'm gonna go and get my spring bag. So we made sure to make a pit stop at Rodeo, particularly at the Louis Vuitton store. And I had actually made an appointment so that I wouldn't have to wait in line, but it turned out I made it for the wrong day. We went on a Saturday and I made it for the day after on Sunday. So we ended up having to wait in line, but it actually wasn't that bad. The line went like to the end of the Louis Vuitton store and we thought we were gonna have to wait like 30 to 45 minutes, but we actually only had to wait 15 minutes to get inside. They were super efficient, and once we got inside, so incredibly helpful. The client advisor who helped me was Zoe, and you guys, if you go to the Rodeo Drive store, definitely ask for her. She was super efficient, very helpful, super knowledgeable, and so accommodating, not pushy at all. She was very encouraging of my choice of bag and so quick to answer any questions that I had on any of the styles that I was curious about. I actually walked in with a list of about 5 styles. I wanted to make it as easy for myself and for my client advisor from having actually worked in retail before. I really like to be an easy customer and I don't let people help me unless I know I'm gonna make a purchase. I just don't wanna waste anyone's time. So the second I got in the store, they assigned me to her and I told her, yes, I'm buying a bag today and these are the styles that I want. And I'll get more into, you know, what I was trying to decide between and everything, but I think I've dragged it on for long enough. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So first off, you guys can tell, this is a huge bag. Like if you see it compared to me, I mean, it just fills up the entire screen. It's a very big bag, but it comes in the classic Louis Vuitton shopping bag here with this kind of like orangey color. Louis Vuitton on the front, the blue cloth straps. It's all very nice, very beautifully presented. And then inside the bag is the box, which is the exact same look, feel, and design as the shopping bag. And then the Louis Vuitton here on the front is raised. It's all very beautifully done. The box is super amazing quality. And then it comes with this little blue ribbon on the front with Louis Vuitton written on it in a matching color font to the box. So I need a little help from the table next to me because, like I said, this is pretty big. I mean, look at it compared to my head. It's huge. And you guys will see why in a second. So of course she comes in a dust bag, which is cream, and that has Louis Vuitton on the front in a dark blue. And then it has this blue ribbon for the closure, which is the exact same one as the one on the shopping bag. And then as far as which one I got, if you guys didn't read the title, I got the Petit Noe. On my list of bags, this one was actually the one that I thought I was most likely to get, but when I actually got in store and I was able to see, you know, which ones they had in stock and actually take a look at the bags, feel them, try them out and everything, I was like, actually, I'm leaning towards this bag. This is very much more of the vibe that I'm going for because my YSL fits literally exactly everything that I need, and I kind of have to, I don't have to like Tetris it, but I do have to make sure everything is in its particular place to get all of my necessities to fit in the bag. So for spring and summer, I wanted something that was like a little bit more carefree and a little bit more casual and fun. And once I tried this on, I was like, yes, I'm getting all of those vibes. The size is perfect for what I'm looking for. I can just easily throw things in. And this is 100% gonna fit everything that I wanna carry with me. And I personally went with the classic monogram. The only other colorway I would have wanted this one in would have been in the blue checker, but I don't think Louis has been making many of those new anymore, so they're actually really kind of hard to find new. So the next closest style to kind of like more of that spring vibe that I wanted was gonna be the classic monogram, just because it does have the light touches and everything on here. So obviously this bag is a bucket style bag, and this one actually has a tie closure, which again, like I said, I wanted a more casual bag, so this is gonna make it a lot more casual. It's gonna make it a lot easier to get in and out of the bag, because just like one thing that I have with my YSL, which I went over in the review video for that bag, is that it's kind of hard to close sometimes with the snap closure. It doesn't always reach itself if I don't have enough stuff in the bag, but I'm definitely not going to experience anything like that at all with this bag. This is going to be totally perfect and easy to get in and out of. But here is how big the bag is inside. I will for sure be able to fit all of my daily necessities in here really, really easily. And it's just one compartment inside. It doesn't have any pockets or anything, but you can easily get some pouches or dividers in here if you feel like you need that. I personally am the type, I just throw everything in. So this is really not a problem for me. And also plus with the fact that I've been dealing with a bag that's so segmented for the last few months, this is definitely gonna be a nice change of pace. A lot more casual because I can just throw everything in and go, which is kind of the vibe that I want when it comes to the spring and summer. I just want everything to be carefree and easy. So this is totally perfect for what I'm looking for. Inside though, they do have one little hook right here where you can clip your keys, which is great because that's obviously something that you really don't want to think you lost. And then when you close it up, you just pull the ties here and just tie it up, and you can just leave it like that if you want to be quick, or you can tie it fully up and make it a bow. You can leave it a little bit looser so that you can easily reach in and out of the bag. Just so many ways to use this bag that are going to make it easy to customize it for your day-to-day, which is, like I said, exactly what I was looking for. The bottom on this bag is the lighter leather, and it doesn't have any feet on the bottom, so just be aware of that when you are setting it down on surfaces. Just try your best to not put it on any surfaces that are going to stain it or make it too dirty. But my client advisor did tell me that if you just keep up on this and make sure to clean the leather off every once in a while, that should help to keep the quality of this lighter bottom. And then the light leather continues up the sides here all the way up to the strap. So this strap right now is at its shortest, and on me, just so that you guys can see it, sorry, I'm wearing joggers on the bottom, but you know what, if you watch any of my videos before, a lot of the times I admit to you guys I'm not wearing pants on the bottom, so thank God I'm wearing pants today. But here is where it hits on me. This is actually perfect for me just because it makes it really easy to like grab stuff and go. But this length is the shortest that it goes, and it has 3 more holes. One more is on the bottom here if you want to extend it and make it a little bit longer. I'm not entirely sure if you can get it to be fully crossbody if you do that. Actually, I might as well go ahead and try it out. Oh, actually I can make this even shorter. There's 1 more hole underneath where it currently sits, but like I said, I think the length that it's at right now is perfect for me, but I do want to test this out to see exactly how long it can go. Okay, so here's the longest that it goes. You guys can see it hits my hip. There's no way. I mean, this would be the most awkward short crossbody. So for sure you cannot crossbody this bag. But like I said, the original length that I had it at, which is on the 4th hole, is actually really perfect for me. It sits underneath my arm really nicely and it doesn't slide around too much. So that is definitely a good length for me. So a few more details on this bag is the grommets right here, if this would focus. They say Louis Vuitton on them, which I love. I love the branding. Also, you guys, I'm so sorry. Please disregard my nails. I do have a nail appointment coming up very soon. And shout out to the person who commented on my YSL video and let me know the name of these. They are grommets. And then the rest of the hardware on here is gold as well to match that. And the leather on here and the tie are finished in a red on the sides. And then the actual stitching on the bag is a yellow color. But I am so happy with this purchase. Again, I just think that this was absolutely perfect for what I was looking for. Just a very casual grab it and go type of bag that I don't have to fuss around in and have to kind of Tetris everything around in to make it fit. But I actually went into Louis Vuitton thinking I was gonna get a completely different style. A couple of the other kind of backup styles I had on my list were the Never Full PM, just because it's so classic. Also the Speedy, again, another classic. I wanted the Speedy 25. And the one that I really thought I was gonna get was the Alma BB. So I actually did see that one. They didn't have it in the colorway I wanted, but they said that they could call around a couple stores and see if anyone had it in the Monogram or the Abine. But when I actually saw it in person, it was so much smaller than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be like this big or something, just from when I had seen unboxings. It looked like it was a pretty decent size, but when I got there, it really seemed to be more like this big. And just with me carrying around my vlog camera and everything all day, it just wasn't gonna fit. I was gonna run into the whole entire issue again of having to Tetris everything to get to fit, and it just wasn't gonna be as easy as I wanted it to be. So pretty much once she put that one on the table, I was like, okay, that's way too small. I knew it right off the bat. And then unfortunately, they didn't have a lot of styles. I have noticed that Louis Vuitton has gotten a little scarce in their production of a lot of their bags, I think to kind of keep the demand up for it. So there's a lot of things where they have styles, but not in all the sizes or not in all of the different designs, like the Monogram or certain colors of the epi leather. So it just makes it a little bit harder to get your hands on some of the bags there, which is a little bit frustrating. And I was kind of scared that I was gonna run into this thing where I was gonna end up buying a bag just because it was the only one that they had. But I actually do genuinely like this one. I was shopping with my friend Michelle, and both of us, when we saw it and when I put it on my shoulder, we're like, okay, yeah, no, that's the one. It was almost like a mini wedding dress situation where I tried a few different styles, but when I put it on, we were both like, okay, that's it. Which actually it kind of was like a little mini wedding dress shopping, because this is actually a little bit more than what my second wedding dress cost. But when you are buying at this level, this is an investment. This is gonna hold its money. And I have researched the resale value on this, and it actually holds its value very, very well. In fact, sometimes it goes up. So I'm definitely super, super happy with this purchase, despite not getting the original style that I wanted. Also too, another bright spot with me ending up not liking the Alma was that this one is actually more affordable. The Alma is $1,480 and this one is $1,400. So including tax and stuff, I actually saved a pretty decent chunk of change by going with this one. So again, just super, super happy with this purchase. I'm very surprised that I went with the one that I did, but super happy with it. I cannot wait to start using it, which will probably be in a couple of weeks. I feel like I'm not quite done with my YSL. I still want to use that like at least for another week or two, but definitely once like mid-May hits, I want to be using this one. And kind of like a fun fact that the girl told me about this was that the design of this bag actually dates back to the early 1900s, and it was actually designed kind of in mind as a champagne bag just because of the shape of it. It definitely has that shape where it's wider on the bottom and kind of funnels up to a narrow top. And fun fact about this bag is that it actually can fit up to 5 bottles of champagne. Not that I'm gonna be doing that anytime soon. It makes me very, very nervous to carry any type of foods or liquids in any of my nicer bags, but still a really fun fact. But anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this Louis Vuitton unboxing. If you guys have any more questions on this bag, why I got this bag, what the experience was like purchasing this bag at Louis Vuitton on Rodeo Drive, leave me a comment down below. Also, don't forget to leave your favorite Louis style. If you shop Louis Vuitton, again, I want to collect more of these, so I definitely want to check out the ones that you guys love. Don't forget to like this video and make sure that you are subscribed, and I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.